everyone, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to submit your allegation of use. I'm doing this for a client right now, so I thought I'd record myself doing this so you guys can learn how to submit your allegation of use, also known as your statement of use. So once you get to this stage, you're going to get to this form and you're going to plug in your serial number in this box and you're going to click continue. So then you're going to get on this page and you're just going to make sure that this is the mark that you are submitting the statement of use for and your specimen. So you're going to most likely say no to both of these questions unless you need to say yes to any of these. If you have a newly appearing attorney on the case, or if you're submitting a new drawing of the mark, it's very rare that you need to do that. So you're going to click no on both of them and click continue. Then on the next page, you're going to just make sure all the information is correct and you're going to click continue after that. Then you're finally going to get to this page, and I know it looks super overwhelming. All you need to do for this page is you're going to says use information, and this is the part where you are going to attach your specimens. You're going to give a description of it, and you're going to put all this additional information. So the only parts that you really need to touch is just right under where it says use. You want to make sure that the specimen that you are attaching has the exact mark that you submitted, and you need to show that it's associated with the goods or services that you are providing or that you are selling. In my case, I am using a Google Chrome extension where I can screenshot the exact page of my client's mark. So this is her web page, and it shows that she is selling her eyelashes, her cosmetic eyelashes, and it has the brand name up here, which is perfect, and it has the purchase functionality, which is exactly what I need for my specimen. So I'm going to go ahead and screenshot this entire website. And so now I have this screenshot. I'm going to save it as a PDF. So I'm just going to download that as a PDF. It's going to save on my hard drive, and now I can go ahead and upload that specimen to this. Ahead, and I uploaded my file. So once you choose your file, you're going to click attach, and then wait until the file uploads, and then you're going to go, and so I see, okay, now it's uploaded, and then I'm going to go to return to form. After you attach your specimen, you're going to put that exact URL of whatever that website was. You're going to put that here if it's a website. In our case, it was, so I'm going to put that URL in that link. And then you're going to have to describe what it was that you uploaded. So in our case, it was a screenshot of the website showing mark associated with the goods provided, purchase functionality included. That is my 2 sentence of what the specimen is. Then you're going to put the date. So I put today's date because that's the date that I took a screenshot of this website and the date that I accessed the specimen, essentially, which is the website. And then you get to this part where if you are an attorney, you're going to get this information from the client, or if you're filing this on behalf of yourself, you are going to put the first date where you use the mark anywhere and the first date of mark that your mark was in commerce. In our case, I'm just looking at the email our client sent us letting us know that she first used this mark in August of 2024. You have to put the month and the date, the exact date. So, and then the first time she used this mark in commerce was October 1st, 2024. So those are the dates that I'm going to plug in. There is usually nothing you have to add here. So you're just going to click continue. You're going to put your information here. Everything should already be pre-populated, and you are going to have to pay that $150 for this allegation of use. So you're going to click continue, and you do this declaration. Just check, make sure you read all of this. You're going to check these boxes. You're going to sign it, date it. One thing I always like to do is I like to click on the input just to see everything is correct. Usually it is, and then you're good to go. The next page is the payment page, and that is how you submit your statement of use.